Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to update WhatsApp on your iPhone. So as you can see, I'm on my iPhone over here. So to update my WhatsApp, I'll do one small thing. If you have the Safari browser on your iPhone, you can use that, but for my case I think I'll use a Chrome browser because it's fast. So quickly I'll open up my Chrome browser, and then once I open up my Chrome browser, I'll come to the search bar here, and then I'll search for the following. I'll search download WhatsApp iOS from up to down.com. So for those who don't know, up to down.com is a very good browser that you can use to download and install different applications. Alright, so for this case I'll use the official website of WhatsApp other than the up-to-down.com. However much there are options plenty. So you come and open that, the second one. So once you open it, you will scroll down over here, okay, and then tap on download. So once you tap on download, guys, you'll be able to download it, and then you'll go back and tap in these three dots up here, then tap in downloads, and then you'll see the application over here. So once you see it, you go ahead and tap in it and then install it, and then the update will automatically reflect on WhatsApp. So guys, that's simply how it goes. Thanks for watching. We shall meet in the next video once again.